Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech World Tutorial. In today's video, I am going to show you how to save a TikTok draft video in gallery. So to do that, first open up your TikTok app and go to your profile and click on the draft video that you want to save. After doing that, click on the video and click next. Now click on the option who can watch this video and select only me. Even though if you post this video, your followers would not be able to see this video. Now go to more option and make sure your save to device is on. After doing that, post the video and your video is automatically saved to your gallery. So go to your gallery and there you can see the video. So that was the process of saving TikTok draft videos in gallery. Hope you find this video helpful. If it was, then do like and comment down any queries or suggestion. If you're new, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of our newest upload. Stay tuned as we will be providing similar kind of content. But for now, thank you for watching.